Why should you choose Chart Your Course International? 1. We have been in business for over 20 years and have become the nation's leading provider of DISC, motivators, and emotional intelligence certification training. 2. We are easy to work with. We have a full-time staff whose main goal is to provide you exceptional service and support. 3. Our assessment tools are validated by research, are fully EEOC compliant, and available in over 30 languages. 4. Our assessments are customizable. Add your own logo and contact information. Add or remove pages. Just about anything you want to do. 5. Our DISC training and handout materials are provided to you forever for free. 6. We provide lifetime support. Our solution providers are glad to provide you ongoing coaching, advice, and support for your projects. Please contact us now by calling 800-821-2487 or visit our website at www.chartcourse.com.